this presentation, we are going to understand how to clean the wall with the help of a robot. So it can be a wall cleaning, or it can be a window cleaning, or it can be any vertical cleaning surface. The model what you are able to see in the screen is a rectangular board with a grid size of 15 cross 15 centimeter. So this is the first trial where a lock is hanged in two threads. So objective here is the lock have to come across all the 24 grid points, meaning it is able to clean the complete plane. So the first model or first attempt is that the lock is assumed as a brush if it is for painting application. So you are painting the first grid, then you are coming for the second grid, then for the third grid, then it goes on. Then after completing the 24 grid, we assume that the plane is being painted. If it is cleaning purpose, if we start from 1 and if we complete the 24, the 24 grids has been cleaned. So like this, it can be used for n number of applications. So we are going to make an attempt to make this lock, which is a brush, or it is a paint brush, or it is a cleaning mechanism which is going to touch all the 24 grids. So by properly pulling the thread between these two edge points, there is two edges, the lock is hanging in that two edges. Now the lock is going to move from the first location to second location slowly. So the first grid point is being cleaned, and now the second grid point is being painted or cleaned. Now the lock is moving towards the third grid point, and then fourth grid point, and then fifth grid point, and then the sixth grid point. So the first vertical portion is being cleaned. Now horizontally we are coming towards the left by properly adjusting the tension between the two threads, which is going to be automated in the following upgradation of this particular concepts. So it is cleaning the 7th grid, 8th grid, 9th grid. Slowly it is coming to the 10th grid, it is coming to the 11th grid, and then in 12th grid. So if we replace this lock, so 12th grid, it is coming to the 12th grid. So from the 12th grid to 13th grid, it is horizontally moving. Then it is vertically moving from the 13 to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Vertically it is coming upwards. So it is something like zigzag scanning method. So we start from 1 and we are scanning it. Now it has reached the 19th point. It is cleaning the last column. So 19, 20, 22 and 23 and 24. So the lock have touched all the grid points from 1 to 24, which justifies it has cleaned the 2 cross 3 surface, 2 feet cross 3 feet surface of the entire plane. So this is the proof of concept of touching all the grid points in a vertical plane. The following videos and the following work, we will upgrade this and then we will come step by step. Thank you.